Hi everyone, today we will prepare a popular Indian street food called Masala Pav. Masala Pav is enjoyed as a snack or a light meal and is known for its spicy and tangy taste. It's popular street food in India and especially in the state of Maharashtra. So let's start preparing. We'll start with preparing a spicy masala that will give extra spiciness to the Masala Pav. Take around 5 to 6 garlic cloves, around 5 to 6 green chilies, add some fresh coriander. Now crush this using a pestle. Don't make a fine paste, we will use this while using masala. Now for the first way, we will take 2 buns or pav and cut this into small pieces. Now take a pan, add around 3 cubes of butter and around 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add some cumin seeds or jeera. We will add around 1 large or 2 medium-sized onions and some green chili paste that we prepared earlier, and let this cook until it's golden brown. Now add around 1 big cup of chopped capsicum, also add around 1 big chopped tomato. Now let this cook until the veggies are tender. I'm adding salt to taste here. Now add the spices like turmeric, red chili powder and coriander or dhania powder. Now here we will add around 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. Now mix it well and let the spices cook. Now add around 1 cup of water and mix it. Now mash this well so that all veggies are blended well. Now add around a big handful of chopped coriander and mix it. Now squeeze half a lemon into this and our masala is ready. Now there are 2 ways to prepare masala pav. For the first way, I'll put some butter on the pan and let it melt. Now I'll add the pieces of pav. Now here I'll add a big spoon of around green chili paste along with some masala and mix this well. Be generous with the masala. Now for the second way, we will take an empty pan and add some butter. Add the green paste and masala to this and mix it well. Now add the pav. Flip this upside down so that masala is properly stick to the pav. Now sprinkle some cheddar cheese on one side and cover this with another one. Now for serving, add some chopped onion and coriander leaves. Serve this hot.